Over here, you're looking to spend $55 tops. That's with warranty. Now, if you go on eBay, you're looking to spend anywhere from $200 to $250 on this same part. Hey, what's up guys? It's Carlos back here with Central Florida Pick and Pay. And today we are gonna find out how much money you guys can make in only the Toyota section. Let's get started. So the first part we got for you guys is really profitable. This part almost never lasts a day on the junkyard. It would be the hybrid inverter. We're gonna make believe it's right here. It's supposed to be here. Now, over here, you're gonna spend $50 and some change. With warranty, you get the whole hybrid inverter. Now, if you go outside, obviously, eBay's got it for like $250. The dealer, we don't even need to mention their prices. You might as well get rid of the car. But that right there is very important to your hybrid cars because that right there is what exchanges this power to battery power. Or that braking and recharging you're doing in your Toyota Prius or whatever hybrid car you have. That right there is what generates your power. It's like a generator, except battery. That's what makes it perfect. And that's what makes it profitable because everybody needs it. And it is extremely profitable because you can make $200+ in profit just buying the part here and reselling it somewhere else. Part number 2 that we have here is engine control module. Now this is very important. This is exactly what turns on your car, turns off your car, puts it in drive, neutral, park. This right here is what's keeping your car running, believe it or not, this little thing. Over here, you're looking to spend $55 tops. That's with warranty. Now, if you go on eBay, you're looking to spend anywhere from $200 to $250 on this same part. Now, that's pretty insane. A $200 price difference. That's pretty crazy. This car right here is a Lexus, extension of Toyota, which is very important because if you look here closely, engine control module says Toyota. Very important, very important. These cars right here are insanely expensive, especially the maintenance. That's why you should come here and get all your parts. So now we have a 2017 Toyota Yaris IA. Now this car has a perfectly good motor, transmission, and alternator. Now we all know alternators are normally the first things to go on the car, but in this case, this alternator will sit here because nobody believes we have a 2017 Toyota Yaris until they get here. The alternator is only $50 to $56. Now that's an absolute steal in my opinion. You can't get any cheaper than that. Now I did some searching on eBay, $270 for this same alternator. No, outrageous. That is a lot of money in your pockets. That's what, 200 and some change at that in your pockets. If you buy this alternator right here, that's a win. Now this right here is an ABS module. I'm pretty sure everybody knows what the function of your ABS module is, but if you don't, this is what powers your brakes on every car. Now, why is this important? Well, if you want to stop at the light, you need these. Now, over here, you're looking to spend $92 tops. That's with warranty for the 30 days, the whole part with the module on the bottom. I'm not holding the module, but this is the pump. Outside, with the module, you're looking to spend $290, almost $300. That is insane for this same part right here. That's real money in your pocket. That's almost what? Like $205 in your pocket? What are you waiting for? Come get it. I wanna know what you guys think. How much money have you made off of Toyota parts? And then I want you guys to just the like button for me, please. And make sure you and you're gonna catch us here next time if you do.